everyone, it's me, Trixie. I'm about to do my first haircut in my bathroom, you know, because I'm a hairstylist and I haven't been able to do my job lately. And so I thought, why not take some clients in my bathroom? We'll see what happens. Hey everyone, it's me, Trixie. I'm doing...
Trixie? One name you could think of?
Sorry, you didn't. It's not your turn to talk, honey. I'm a hair cutter, as you know, and because of COVID, I'm not able to be in my shop right now. So I'm cutting hair in my bathroom. And this is my first client. He's a little cheeky. His name's Angela. What is your name again? Angelo. Angelo? Yes, Angelo. Okay, so you could just be a little fly on the wall and see how I do my first, literally, my first bathroom haircut. Okay.
Where are you from? With that accent.
I'm from Bath, England. Okay, first, this is all from a YouTube tutorial. They're the rage right now.
Are you a YouTuber?
I'm trying to be a YouTuber. Wait, let me put on my glasses. Do you like this hair color? I did it myself. Okay.
Where am I? Yeah, let's go.
We're listening to a little Morrissey, or the Smiths, because we're in England, in my bathtub. I'm just trying to annoy Angelo right now.
Yes, because I'm trying to get a haircut and you're like putting on a show.
First part of the haircut is wetting the hair. You want to make sure it's coming out as a stream. Oh, sorry, Angelo. Here we go. You want to make sure the hair is wet. And I'm trying not to wet Mr. Angelo's magazine. When you're a hairstylist, the hard part is they always want to talk to you. But this client, he's very into his magazine. Might be a little... Sometimes we call
but
it...
I'll be still so you can finish the haircut. Go ahead.
No, you can look at your magazine. I'm talking to the audience. I'm telling them what to do. Okay, so if you wanted to do this haircut at home, you wet your client's hair, and then what I'm gonna do, you have really nice hair, Mr. Angelo. Oh, look at this. Your wife must love this hair. Okay, so what we're going to do is we put the hair on the crown of the head. And then we're going to separate it. Now what I'm going to do, okay, the first part is the clipper.
You should have like a towel around me, but it's okay.
Normally the clients don't tell the business owner how to run their shop.
Okay, but
I do have a perfect towel for you, Mr. Angelo. It's Captain America.
because you like being in America, right?
I do.
Yes.
I'm so glad you made it all the way to Europe right now for your trim. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do...
I thought you said you were coming to the States.
Could you stop talking, please?
Okay.
Thank you. The first thing you're going to do is get a really cheap clipper from Target. This was $35.
They have that in England?
I did order pickup. I did a pickup. You can't choose your clients, right?
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to wet it a little bit more. And I love Mr. Angelo to show you the back of his hair right now. Actually, I'll take the camera. Let's do a little angle so you could do a little before and after. See, it's very like... Try not to get a picture of the toilet or toilet.
My barber Anthony is taking note.
Okay. Well, I hope I do a good enough job that you don't need Mr. Anthony anymore.
Well, he doesn't realize I'm in England.
Yes, so...
How I even got there, I don't know.
Okay. All right. Let's see here now. Now first, what the YouTube said was to plot the hair. Mr. Angelo, should I do it?
Well, my natural part is here, but it doesn't matter. You can do whatever.
Thank you.
I have nobody to impress.
Yes, when I got my license from Cosmic Cosmetology, I was the star student, so we'll see what happens. Wait, it's a little... Alright, let's see. Okay, here it goes. Oh, it works. This is so much fun.
I love reading Entertainment Weekly when there's like no entertainment right now.
So what else is new, Mr. Angelo?
Nothing. I really don't talk to strangers.
Okay, right now I'm using a, it says it's a 16 millimeter. I don't really have any idea, of what I'm doing.
I like it shorter.
Oh, he likes it shorter, he says.
So once you get through that number, you can go down to another number.
Aww.
Alright.
Don't you love being trained by your clients? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, welcome back. So we've done the back of the head. My client's he's so excited about the progress I wanted to show you. So what I did is I used the one that had the longest hair that you're able to cut. I did that first up to here. Then I went to the next one shorter to here and then to there. And then it came with a ear thingamabob. So a little unevenness right here. But we're gonna work on that. Right now we're gonna do the top. We're still jamming to England's finest, to my husband's dismise. He's not very fond of England bands. Are you, Angelo? Oh wait, I forgot, you're not my husband. Okay, I have no clue. I learned this at my cosmetology school. I don't know where the scissor is. Let's see what we have.
You just have it. Do you have it?
Oh, look. You do not want to use a scissor like this to cut hair. We're missing the scissor. Not sure if we'll get this step done or not.
Sure.
No, those are not the scissors you want me to use. So I'm thinking I'm just going to trim a little bit here on the top.
What?
And we'll be right back when we find the scissor. Okay, we found these scissors, probably what I shouldn't be using based on what I learned at school. But you got to use what you can when you're in quarantine. We're going to do a little quick video. Alright, we'll do the quick video. Okay, we're all done with the haircuts. I think I've done a pretty good job for my first bathroom haircut. My first specimen, Angelo, he's all the way from America. Isn't he so a handsome little bloke, right? But look here, I did the sides. I think I did a good job. Here's the back. Other sides. Look at this cute. I tried to do a little Justin Bieber right here. A little midlife crisis Justin Bieber. Are you happy with your service?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Fortunately, I brought no All I have is American dollars.
Oh, that's totally fine. Would you like to sing for your haircut?
No, not today.
Okay.
Thank you though.
Thank you all for joining us.
All
Bye.
by myself. See you later, guys. Thank you.